add Afterpay to Android wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add Afterpay to your Android wallet. So first of all, you need to go to your Apple Store or your Play Store, and on the search bar just search for Afterpay, and after that just install the application into your smartphone, and after that just click on open and just open your Afterpay account. And here you just have to simply log in into your account with your credentials, and if you don't have an account already, you can click on create new account, and after that just enter your email address, contact number, and just create your account for yourself if you don't have one. And once you logged in into your account, and in the bottom menu you will see all these options like shop, in-store, rewards, and my Afterpay. So here you just simply have to click on the in-store option, so just simply tap on it. So when you click on in-store option here, and then you are going to follow the procedure to set up your Afterpay card. So you need to set up your Afterpay card here, and once you set up your Afterpay card, so once you click on the Afterpay card, then it is going to take you to the wallet, and you need to verify your account here. And once everything is done, this will take you to the wallet section, and it will open your wallet, and the linking process will start in a while. And once the linking process of the Afterpay card has been started, then your card will automatically be added into your wallet. Then you will be able to use it anywhere you want. So this is basically how you will be able to add your Afterpay to your Android wallet. So I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.